guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, GlamBySam. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm going to start this video with thanking you all for 2,000 subscribers. I couldn't be more excited. Pretty much ever since I started YouTube, it was always kind of my goal to hit 2,000 subscribers. I just thought that was amazing. I'm so thankful for all of you watching my videos. But for today's video, I have another eyeshadow tutorial kind of review video, and this is on the Colourpop Hello Kitty and Friends palette. I believe this launched at the beginning of December, and when I saw this launching, I thought it was cute, but I was on a no-buy for makeup, so I didn't get it. So then my sister asked me if I wanted it for Christmas, and of course I had to say I wanted it because it is so cute. So I got this palette for Christmas, and since I have it and it's still on the website, it is a limited edition I believe, but it is still available, this palette. I thought I would review it for you guys. So if any of you are still doubting on whether you want to get this, then you know what it performs like and what looks you can make with this. So I just created this eye look, so if you are excited to see how I created this look and what I think of this palette, then please keep on watching. So then this is what the palette and then the box looks like. So as you can see, it's the same image. It's just Hello Kitty with the friends in a snow globe, and it just has Hello Kitty and friends with this lilac background, and I think it is super cute. And something I am really excited about is that there's actually not an eye safety warning, so there's no pressed glitter in here. I don't like the pressed glitters because they're simply not eye safe. I am really excited to see no pressed glitter in this palette so I can use all the shades. So I'm actually going to be starting with this shade right here, which is called Snow Globe, and this is sort of like the pinky peach. So what I'm going to do is take a Beauty Bay brush and I'm going to put this in my crease. And I'm just going to focus on putting this in my crease. Since I have a little bit of hooded eyes, I'm also going to focus a little bit above the crease so that when I look straight into the camera you can still see the eye look. That's a big tip if you have hooded eyes, is to put your crease shade a bit higher than your actual crease. So in that way, when you look straight into the camera, people will actually be able to see the eyeshadow and it's just not going to disappear in your crease. So I'm pretty happy with this shade actually. It's a really pretty sort of peachy pink shade, and I think all of these shades are really well curated for a Hello Kitty palette. And then with the same brush, I'm going to go into this lilac shade, and this is called Brr Baby, I would say. It's so hard to pronounce, but it's the middle one. So I'm just going to focus this kind of on top of that shade, and I'm also bringing it a bit above. And since this is a pastel shade, I really am noticing that it has sort of a white base, which is kind of diffusing the eye look, but it's not that big of a deal. And I'm just going to go in with this pretty much all the way to the brow. So this definitely made the eye look a bit lighter. I don't know if you're able to see it, but I think it's cute. But I want to go in with that Snow Globe shade one more time, just to kind of get the depth of that shade back, because now it's a bit diffused with the lilac shade. So that's what that is looking like right now. I think it is super cute and I love how it looks. So now time to add some more depth, and for this I'm going to be using the Peaches and Cream PC20, and this is a really nice small brush that's really good for focusing on the outer corners, because I don't have super big eyelids, so it's just a really nice brush for that. So I am going to go in with this shade right here, which is called Snowwear. All of these bottom shades have the Colourpop glitter into the matte formula. Now I actually quite like that formula. I know a lot of people complain about this, but me personally, I actually do like the formula. So I'm just going to go in with that shade, and that is the dark purple. I am going to be tapping off the excess just in case it's super pigmented, and I'm just going to tap it on the outer corner of the eye and sort of bringing it up. As you can see, it's kind of created a sort of wing shape. That's what we want, because it's going to be creating sort of a lifted eye look, and it's just going to add some nice depth to the look. And we'll blend it out later. So right now I'm just focusing on adding the depth and dimension that I want, and then we'll blend it out later. So that is what that is now looking like, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye as well. So now that it's looking a bit crazy, it's time to actually blend it out. And for blending this out, I'm going to be using the PC10 blending brush, which is one of my favorite blending brushes. And I'm just going to go in with a very light hand. And I'm just like slightly bringing this to the middle of the eye so that we'll get like a more blended line. So far, I'm really liking this palette. So now I'm going to go in with that first shade called Snow Globe, and I'm just going to put it on the same brush. And I'm going to go over that shade just to blend everything out like a little bit more. So I actually really love the Colourpop formula. So then I'm going to go in with this shade at the right here, and I'm not even going to bother pronounce it. It's something with Iglo Blues, I would say. And I'm just going to tap this on the outer corners of the eye because I feel like it's going to act as a nice blend between both of these colors. I'm also going to bring this to the lower lash line. So that is looking super pretty if you ask me. I love how this is looking so far. So now I want to add some sparkle, and I think I'm going to go for the lavender shimmer here. I'm kind of like doubting between these two, but I feel like this shade looks so unique that I just really want to use it. So I'm going to go in with my finger actually, just because I feel like shimmer shades usually show up better with a finger. And same with this shade, I'm also bringing it slightly above the crease so that we're actually able to see it when I look straight into the camera. I feel like it just has a really cool like pink shift to it basically. And then this is what the eye look looks like. I'm really happy with how this turned out, so I'm going to be applying some mascara. I'll be back for my final thoughts on this palette. Okay guys, and this is what the finished eye look looks like. I really hope you guys like it as much as I like it. I think it turned out really nice, and overall I'm just really happy with this palette. I think it is so cute and adorable, and I just love the Hello Kitty theme, and I think the colors in there suit the theme so well, and I just really love the colors in there. Basically, the shades performed nice in my opinion, and I just think we created a really nice, fun eye look. So if you did enjoy this video, then I would absolutely love it if you gave it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you don't want to miss any of my videos. All of these things would help me so much with my channel, and I'd really appreciate it. But with that said, I want to thank you guys all so much for watching. I really hope you have an amazing day, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye!